Hello students, we're getting ready for another penmanship lesson. Today's focus is on the letter O. So this is how you would normally write the letter O. Right? You're filling up those two blue lines. It's like making a circle. Today we are going to write the cursive letter O. So to start to write the cursive letter O, we are going to start on the bottom blue line. So we're going to take it up like if we are writing a C, and we're going to come around and then add this part here. So we start at the bottom blue line, go around like if you're writing a C, then go all around to make that letter O, and then you add this little part at the top there. So we are writing the cursive letter O. Again, start off on the bottom blue line, go around and add this little part at the top there. Cursive letter O. So let's practice again. Remember the cursive O starting at the bottom blue line. We're filling up those blue lines because the letter O is a short letter, so it's going to fill up those two blue lines. This part at the top here, this is where the letter O is going to join to all the other letters. And the beginning of your cursive O is where all the other letters are going to come and join to the letter O. So let's create a pattern with the letter O. So we start off with our first letter O, our first cursive O. And we're going to take this part and make another cursive O. So we're carrying the top part there now. And we're carrying it around and then make that little curl at the top there. Cursive O. So we are joining one cursive O to another cursive O to make a pattern. Notice all the O's are filling up the blue lines, right? So I'm taking it, carrying it, right? And notice you could see each letter O, right? They're not sticking up on each other, but I'm not stretching them out either. So each letter O can be clearly seen, and we're going to end up there. So we're ending our last cursive O with this little piece at the top there. We're going to practice some words with the letter O in it, and it's cursive writing, so you know that we are joining all the letters in the words. So we're going to start off with the word cod, C-O-D. So we start off with our cursive C, and we ending up with our cursive D, cod. We leave a little space, and we write it again. Notice where the C is going to join the O at the bottom here. That's over here. And then the O is going to join the D at the top there. Remember, the D touches your top red line. Moving on to our next word, ago, starts with A, a cursive A into a G, and when you cross the G, it will go up into your O. A, G, O. Remember to end your cursive O at the top. And I could stop anywhere, but when I'm ready to continue, I'm going to continue from where I stopped and finish up a cursive word. Our next word is the word dog. So we start off with a cursive D. Remember, we are adding all the beginning parts of your cursive letters. The D will go into our O, and the O is going into your G, dog. And the cursive G is touching your bottom red line, don't forget. You can pause the video at any point in time, and so that you can practice writing your words. Our next word is the word odd. So we spell that O-D-D. So in this word, we start off with the cursive O, and we carry it into the D, and into another D, and we end up with our cursive D, the word odd. Remember to have a clean eraser at hand so that you can erase any mistakes and fix it. And we have our last word using the letter O. We're going to start off with a cursive G, O, O, D, the word good. G, O, O, D. All the letters are joining to each other. And this is our lesson in writing the cursive letter O and practicing writing the cursive letter O in some words.